Ever used a power bank? What's the biggest capacity you've seen? Our 900-ton crane got a special job, bringing support trucks in all parts, rushing over 100 kilometers. The task? Install a giant power bank. What kind of power bank is this? That it needs a 900 counterweights to install? Even then, it's fully loaded and barely made the lift. Hello everyone, I'm Liu Kai. Our 900-ton crane and support trucks got another job. We need all counterweights for this. Here's what we're lifting. You won't believe it. We didn't know until we arrived. We are actually here to install a city's power bank. What power bank is this heavy? Requiring a 900-ton crane and full weights. We drove the crane in. The site wasn't ideal. We had to back out, turn around, and back in to set up. Take a look. It's this storage cabinet behind me. Each weighs 75 tons, with a max reach of 30 meters. Good morning, guys. Today we lift this cabinet. It's raining, so stay safe. When handling the ropes, make sure to watch out for gaps between us. Also, the ground is a bit soft. Keep a close eye on it. Safety first for the first two. Actually, safety first for all of them. I rely on you for the rest. We are always in the office. So regarding safety, please cooperate. Stay safe. Accidents affect everyone. Got it? All right. Brother Hu finished the briefing. Now we prep for the lift. First, set up the crane. The actual lift might wait till afternoon, because after setting up, we must wait for experts to inspect it. No matter the site, the first setup step is placing pads under the outriggers. This is done to distribute the weight. Before this, steel plates were already laid. While setting the outriggers, our crew can finally rest a bit. Let me explain our 900-ton crane. For this job specs, at 50 meters, lift capacity is 48 tons. At 30 meters, capacity exceeds 80 tons. So based on this, the crane needs full counterweights. Now all counterweights are mounted. Hoses and cables are connected for remote control to lift 183 tons of counterweights. With weights on, we pressure test outriggers. It took 1.5 hours to set them. Now pressure testing. We've waited over an hour since setup. Experts are inspecting. The crane is now approved, but we still haven't seen the giant power bank. Let's extend the boom and attach rigging first. Between inspections and waiting for rigging, it's noon and we haven't started. Look at this giant power bank. It weighs a massive 78 tons. How many phones could this charge? Probably more than you'd use in a lifetime. Just this? One day. Keep it steady. Rigging is ready. And our food arrived. Let's eat before lifting. Want some? Yes. After eating, no breaks. We start lifting immediately. Tackle the hardest part first. So we lift the furthest one first. Starting the first lift. Guys, I just learned this giant power bank has a massive 6.709 megawatt capacity. That's 6,700 kilowatt hours of power. What does that mean? Fully charged, it could power a normal home for years. And this energy station has dozens of these. It's truly a city's power bank. Fully charged and on standby. The current weight, including the rigging, is over 80 tons. Even for our 900-ton crane, it's serious. 80 tons is no joke, but it's manageable. The crane slowly moves it close to the ground. Now the first one is almost in place. We can finally breathe a sigh of relief. Lifting the rest won't be as stressful. Seeing this, I really admire Brother Hu's skills and this 900-ton crane's performance. The first one is finally set. Nerve-wracking. A 30-meter reach. We barely unhooked the first, and the second one arrived. The transport team is fast. The second weighs the same. 78 tons, starting the second lift. The second one's position is almost identical to the first. Even though we've done one, we must stay highly focused. In the past, unused power was lost. Now, unused power charges these giant power banks. Power is available whenever needed. Behind all this, people are working silently, so we never face power outages. Thanks again to those working hard in the power industry. It's 3 p.m. We've lifted 3 units. Checking the weight. Each is exactly 78 tons, all identical. Speed up. Now lifting the 5th. Our crane's mission today is to lift over 30 of these units. We only started this afternoon, so today we probably can only do about a dozen because they are so heavy, 78 tons each. Therefore, one crane setup can't cover all spots. We must reposition to lift the rest. Look, we finished 8. Our setup position is at its limit. Here, try transport can't keep up with our lifts. 8 lifted. And the next truck isn't here yet. After waiting an hour, the truck finally arrived. The last few lifts today are substations. Their purpose is like a manager for the power bank, like a small substation, connecting it to the high voltage grid, an all-in-one manager for protection. Their weight is much lower, less than 50 tons, but the installation distance is 50 meters. You know, sometimes with the same weight, extending the reach by just 1 meter makes it impossible for the crane. Luckily, Brother Hugh planned it all. Everything was precisely calculated. Failing to lift it won't happen. Today we lifted 10 units in total, with a max reach of 30 meters and max weight of 80 tons. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks for following my lifting work. I'm Liu Kai. See you next time.